Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
When people hear words like receivership or court involvement, it can sound like the only option left. But most HOA disputes don't start there. They move through several stages before anything reaches a courtroom. Hi, I'm Stephanie from Michigan Condo Voices. Today I'm walking through what I call the HOA decision ladder. From internal reform to limited legal action to court intervention, so you understand what each step really means. Think of HOA conflict as escalation, not a switch. Each step of the ladder changes the costs, the risk, and the level of control co-owners have. Most communities don't jump straight to court. They move step by step, often without fully understanding what each step actually involves. The first step is always internal reform. That includes elections, enforcing bylaws, requesting records, improving transparency, and increasing co-owner participation. Most HOA problems are governance problems, not legal ones. This step preserves the most co-owner control, costs the least, and keeps decision making inside the community. If internal reform fails, some communities pursue limited legal clarification, not control. That can include demand letters, mediation, or narrowly focused court actions for things like document access or election issues. This step targets specific issues, not the entire association. Costs increase here, but co owners still retain control. Receivership is an extraordinary measure. A court appoints a third party to temporarily run the association. Co owners lose decision making authority, and the receiver fees are paid by the HOA. Receivership can stabilize a failing situation, but it comes with very high costs and limited co owner oversight. Receivership is not reform, it's intervention. Dissolving an HOA is rare and complex. It requires significant co owner approval, settlement of debts, and redistribution of responsibilities that the HOA once handled. Dissolution doesn't eliminate infrastructure or costs, it changes who carries them. When co owners understand all of the options, conversations tend to become calmer and more productive. Escalation should be informed, not emotional. My goal here isn't to push for any outcome, it's to explain how these processes work so co-owners can ask better questions and make informed decisions. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing to Michigan Condo Voices. Transparency starts with understanding. Take care.